The Templar Church in Templetown, County Wexford, stands as a testament to the medieval legacy of the Knights Templar in Ireland. From its origins in the 12th century to its decline and eventual rediscovery, the church encapsulates a critical chapter in Irish and Templar history. Today, the Templar Church at Templetown is recognized as an important cultural and historical landmark. It attracts visitors and scholars interested in the Knights Templar and medieval Irish history. The site offers a tangible connection to a fascinating period of history, reflecting the enduring legacy of the Templars and their impact on the regions where they established their presence. The Templar Church in Templetown, like many Templar sites, has been the subject of numerous legends and myths. The mysterious nature of the Templars, their sudden downfall, and the enduring allure of their supposed hidden treasures have fueled various stories and speculations. While there is little evidence to support many of these tales, they add to the mystique and intrigue surrounding the site.